Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your primary email address on Facebook. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now tap on Personal Information. Then tap on Contact Info. Here you can see I have connected two email IDs, but in your case you will have only one. Now tap on Add Email Address. Now enter your email ID and your password and then tap on Add Email Address. And then you have to verify your email ID. Now go back. Now if I tap on this email, you will see this is my secondary one. And if I tap on the other, this is my primary email. Now tap on your secondary email and then tap on Make Primary. And now this is your primary email. For confirmation, let's go back and then tap on Contact Info again. Now tap on the email ID again and you'll see that it is your primary email. And that's how you can change your email ID on Facebook. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.